Hey, what's up? This is Generation of BMX, and this is my 1997 Morales twin top tube Flatland bike check. The bike is powder coated in futuristic gold. It's an 18-inch top tube with 14-inch chain stays. It's a 14 millimeter rear dropout. I'm running KHE Tanica forks and raw. They were rusted out. They were old. I sanded them down. I like the color, so I decided to leave it that way. These are 90s graveyard TI handlebars. I'm running Tektro forks, or Tektro brakes. These are Panaracer HP 406 skin wall flatland tires. KHE Geisha hubs, 32 hole laced to Sun Rhino Light rims. I'm running the Aries stem, Tektro brake levers, Tektro brake. Now this is a 1-inch frame, but I ran the 1-inch to 1 1/8 threadless conversion headset. So that is a conversion sealed headset. And I was able to run the 1 1/8 threadless fork. Really happy with that. These are Tree Bossa pegs. Lightweight peg out there on the market. Here is KHE 25 tooth sprocket. Sunday Saker 3-piece cranks and 155 millimeter. Nano pedals. Very small, just enough to get you by a pedal. Again, lightweight. That's a 31.8 Avenir 200 series. That's a mountain bike seat post because these seat posts in these bikes are so big. But that was trimmed down for weight reduction. That's an Odyssey Senior seat. It's an aluminum seat clamp. Running Tektro rear brakes. KMC chain. The rear hub is a 9-tooth driver. Again, a KHE Geisha hub, 32 hole. I'm running Odyssey Ghost brake pads. They are a really small brake pad, just enough to get you by, but work very well. Running clear on the front. And I'm running black on the back. Very lightweight brake pads. You'd be surprised at how heavy those things are and the normal size that they come in. And all in all, this is my Flatland setup. When these bikes were built back in the day, they'd weigh 30 to 40 pounds. I've got this one down to 27. That's very doable for me, especially for a mid-school Flatland bike. But that's my rundown. I hope you enjoyed my bike check of the 97 Morales. And this is Generation of BMX.
MyCincyMusic.com. I mean, we grew up in church, so I was in church anywhere from